Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. In recent years, a new scheme has been put into use to help people to do their shopping without using any money store. This scheme is organized by some of the banks and is called buying by credit card store. It is possible for anyone to apply for a card and there is no need to have an account with a particular bank store. If the person who applies, in the opinion of the bank, is in a position to have credit, then a card is issued to him and he will be given a note of the sum of money which he will be allowed to owe store. Anyone who holds a card may use it to buy goods or services up to the figure that has been stated from any of the retailers who show the badge of the bank which has issued the card store. At the end of each month, the account has to be settled with the bank store. The retailers who wish to show the badge have to pay a fee of 5 rupees to join, and on each purchase which is made by a customer who holds a card, he pays a small service charge store. The bank then settles up all the accounts with him. Stanza. This system has advantages both for the customer and for the retailer store. The customer can have goods to a set amount on credit store. Also, he can use a small card to pay bills in a variety of places such as shops, plane and hotels without having to carry large sums of money with him store. From the point of view of the retailer, the bank or organization which issued the credit card gives a guarantee that payment will be made, and this reduces his bad debts store. He can also reduce the amount of working capital required for the business, and his turnover may be increased because he offers his services store. Those who have credit card schemes can make their profit from the service charges. Stanza. It has been said that those who use the cards may find that prices rise as service charges will be passed on to them store. In addition, there will always be the temptation to run up accounts that are larger than they would be if payment were made in cash store. In spite of these things, however, it seems likely that the use of credit cards will increase in the next few years. Full stop. Over.